Hey there! In this video, we'll show you how to get notified when someone posts on Instagram. This is a great way to stay up to date with your favorite accounts and never miss a post again. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone or tablet. Next, tap the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, tap Following to see a list of the accounts you follow. To create notifications for a specific account, tap on the person's name. This will take you to their profile page. Now, tap the bell icon located next to their name. This will open a menu of notification options. To get notified when this person posts, tap the Posts switch to turn it on. You can also choose to receive notifications for their stories, IGTV videos, and live videos by turning on the corresponding switches. Once you've turned on notifications, you'll receive a push notification every time the person posts new content on Instagram. This is a great way to stay up to date with your favorite accounts and never miss a post again. It's important to note that you can only receive notifications from accounts that you follow. If you're not following the person you want to receive notifications from, you'll need to follow them first before you can turn on notifications. If you want to turn off notifications for a specific account, simply go to their profile page and tap the bell icon again. From there, you can turn off notifications for their posts, stories, IGTV videos, and live videos. In addition to receiving notifications for individual accounts, you can also turn on general notifications for Instagram as a whole. To do this, go to your profile page, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and then tap Settings. From there, tap Notifications, and then Posts, Stories, and Comments. Here, you can turn on notifications for all the accounts you follow, as well as other important Instagram updates. By following these simple steps, you can get notified when someone posts on Instagram and stay up to date with your favorite accounts. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.